Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Foam Down. What is Leisure Time Foam Down? Leisure Time Foam Down is a non-oily concentrated foam suppressant. This product differs from other foam suppressants because it was specifically designed for use in hot water. It has an easy flip-top lid for accurate and direct application. It is important to note that consistent and excessive foaming indicates water problems. Foam Down is effective in any type of sanitized hot tub water. Product benefits: concentrated foam suppressant, easy flip-top lid for accurate and direct application, effective in any type of sanitized hot tub water. Usage directions. Step 1. Shake well before using. Step 2. Add directly to the foaming area using approximately 1/2 ounce at a time. Step 3. Repeat as necessary. Dosage: 1/2 fl Oz as needed. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.